Damara Pressure Washing here. We're in Stone Park, Illinois. We got a call. This is a repeated customer. On the back of their shop, they keep getting tagged up. They keep getting graffiti. And they get ticketed, so we have to come out here and remove the graffiti. Been out here about 3-4 times already. Right now, Rudy is applying the secret sauce. What we do is we apply, we agitate.
Guys, so we're all done now. Finished removing the graffiti. Took a few tries, but it looks great. Mind you, this is graffiti, years and years of graffiti. It's like a tradition wall. No, I'm just kidding, but that's what it feels like. And yeah, it's all gone. Give us a call, Damara Pressure Washing, 630-644-6950. We'll come and remove any graffiti.